For the JD Welsh Cup this month, FAWTV has come to Penrhyncoch and here at Cae Baker. Penrhyncoch is a small village that's situated around 4.5 miles from Aberystwyth. The football team are enjoying a decent cup run in the JD Welsh Cup this season, having reached the 3rd round of the competition. On Saturday, they will play Cwmbran Celtic from the Welsh League, hoping to get into the 4th round where they could draw one of the big boys from the Dafabet Welsh Premier League. We're here at Penrhyncoch's training session. They play Cwmbran Celtic in round 3 of the competition. We're at the business end now of the competition.
Absolutely, yeah, like you say, well, it is the business end. The 12 Dafabet Welsh Premier League clubs have entered now. They join the 20 teams that qualified from round 2, and it's great that Penrhyncoch and Cwmbran Celtic are both in it because they're representing tier 3 of the pyramid. There's a great financial bonus every round you progress from here on in, so it can really have a positive effect on clubs' balance sheets. And of course S4C are covering a live match every round from now on, so it really does get exciting. Penrhyncoch could be in the hat for the last 16 and their big brother down the road might be knocked out. You know, that's the beauty of the cup competition, and hopefully we'll have a fairy tale story for at least one club going on into the last 16.
We're left in a lot of cups, so we're looking forward to every game at the minute, and you know, we feel we can win every game, and that's one of the good things, especially with a home draw, so yeah, looking forward to it a lot.
Hopefully the weather will be a little bit better. In terms of what it means for Penrhyncoch to get through in the Welsh Cup, you know, can you explain it?
Yeah, the significance of the year as well, given that it's an anniversary of sorts for the club. To do this in this year would be very special. The club's done well in the competition in the past, and it's a good opportunity to make a name for ourselves. Particularly this year, numbers have risen. I suppose that's in accordance with the results we've been having when we've been doing well, but yeah, it's good to see everybody getting behind the team.
We've heard that Cwmbran are going to stay up here on the Friday. They're going to prepare properly. They're a good side in their own league. I think it's a real 50-50 one, to be fair. It looks like 2 good clubs. Cup football, listen, it's who sort of turns up on the day, and if you've got 6 or 7 individuals playing well, you've got a great chance. For a village club, the things that we do at the moment, the standards are really good. We're creating an environment, the guys train hard, we try and do things as professionally as possible, and I think that's, the boys are feeding off that, and the results suggest, we're doing things the right way.
We're a good side at home, we travel well as well, so there's no doubt about that, but massive home advantage.
We try to sort of bring 5 or 6 of the locals involved. It's got to be, it's the way we are, and then obviously we can bring a couple of youngsters through as well. Luckily with my background with Aberystwyth Academy as well, if I bring the odd 16-year-old through and then feed them through to Aberystwyth, so that's what we're trying to do.